Could a tiny berry hold the key to sharper vision, a healthier heart, and even a stronger brain? Meet Bilberry, the superfood with powerful science-backed benefits that could transform your health in ways you never imagined. Stay tuned to find out how this antioxidant powerhouse works wonders for your body. Welcome to my channel, where I share with you evidence-based content for women over 50 who want to achieve healthy aging and longevity. In this video, I will share with you 10 benefits of a little-known berry. The information is for educational purposes only. Consult with your physician before making any changes to your health. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more on how to achieve healthy aging. 1. Eye health. Bilberry is renowned for supporting eye health, particularly in improving vision and reducing eye fatigue. Bilberries are rich in anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that protect retinal cells from oxidative stress and enhance the regeneration of rhodopsin, a pigment crucial for vision in low-light conditions. A 2020 study published in Nutrients demonstrated that bilberry extract could improve visual function in individuals with eye strain and protect retinal cells. 2. Cardiovascular health. Bilberries may contribute to improved cardiovascular health by reducing blood pressure and enhancing circulation. It is believed that the anthocyanins in bilberries improve endothelial function and reduce arterial stiffness, leading to better blood flow and lower blood pressure. A 2019 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that regular consumption of bilberry extract improved endothelial function and reduced blood pressure in those with cardiovascular risk factors. 3. Anti-inflammatory effects. Bilberries have strong anti-inflammatory properties, which may help in managing conditions like arthritis. The anthocyanins in bilberries inhibit the activity of pro-inflammatory enzymes and reduce the production of inflammatory cytokines. A 2018 study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food showed that bilberry extract significantly reduced markers of inflammation in subjects with metabolic syndrome. 4. Cognitive function. Bilberries may enhance cognitive function and protect against cognitive decline. Bilberries' high antioxidant content reduces oxidative stress in the brain, which is linked to cognitive decline. Anthocyanins also promote neurogenesis and improve synaptic plasticity. A 2019 study in the European Journal of Nutrition demonstrated that bilberry supplementation improved memory and cognitive function in older adults with mild cognitive impairment. 5. Antioxidant power. Bilberries are packed with powerful antioxidants, which help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. The high levels of anthocyanins in bilberries scavenge free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and preventing cellular damage. A 2018 study in Molecules highlighted that bilberries have one of the highest antioxidant capacities among berries, which contributes to their protective effects against oxidative stress-related diseases. 6. Gut health. Bilberries may support gut health by promoting a healthy balance of gut bacteria. The fiber and polyphenols in bilberries act as prebiotics, feeding beneficial gut bacteria and promoting a balanced microbiome. A 2019 study in Nutrients showed that bilberry consumption positively altered gut microbiota composition, which is associated with better digestive health and reduced inflammation. 7. Skin health. Bilberries can contribute to healthier skin by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress, which are key factors in skin aging. The antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties of bilberries help protect the skin from damage caused by UV radiation and pollution. A 2020 study published in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology found that bilberry extract improved skin hydration and reduced the signs of aging by protecting against oxidative damage. 8. Blood sugar regulation. Bilberries may help regulate blood sugar levels, making them beneficial for individuals with or at risk for type 2 diabetes. Bilberries improve insulin sensitivity and reduce glucose absorption in the intestines, helping to maintain stable blood sugar levels. A 2018 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition demonstrated that bilberry supplementation improved glycemic control in individuals with type 2 diabetes. 9. Anti-cancer potential. Bilberries may have anti-cancer properties, particularly in preventing the growth of certain types of cancer cells. The anthocyanins in bilberries induce apoptosis, or programmed cell death, and inhibit the proliferation of cancer cells. A 2019 study in Cancer Research highlighted that bilberry extract could inhibit the growth of colon cancer cells in vitro, suggesting potential anti-cancer effects. 10. Antimicrobial properties. Bilberries exhibit antimicrobial effects, helping to combat harmful bacteria and fungi. The polyphenols in bilberries disrupt the cell walls of these organisms, inhibiting their growth and reducing the chance of infections. A 2019 study in Frontiers in Microbiology found that bilberry extract effectively inhibited the growth of several pathogenic bacteria. And there you have it. 10 science-backed benefits of a little-known fruit called bilberry. From boosting your eye health and supporting your heart to enhancing your skin and even helping regulate blood sugar. The benefits of bilberries are backed by solid science. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification for more evidence-based content to help you achieve healthy aging and longevity.